Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to talk about 5 ways where you could destroy your blog completely. What are 5 things that you can totally do to really destroy your blog? Now, maybe more than 5 things, but I ran 3 or 4 blogs in the past, and they're all gone today because of these things, and I've written them down here. The first one is you stop being consistent. Now, I didn't know about this 3-4 years ago, because if anybody been in the marketing for a long time, there was a program called Google Sniper, where, to sum it up, you write 3 or 4 blog posts on a targeted keyword and you rate number 1 on Google. Well, I had that kind of mindset of the same thing, and those 3-4 sites that I had, if I would have kept running blog posts, it would kept ranking. Now, 2019, 2020, those don't work no more. You must consistently post content to your blog. You must consistently post YouTube videos. YouTuber creators, they make money on YouTube, they post content. Bloggers make money blogging, which post content. So the number one that would kill your blog, number one thing, is to be on again, off again blogger. If you want to blog 2 times a week, you have to do that forever. Okay, you got to do that to the end of time. So you must be consistent. Number two would be never make goals for your blog. You never make a goal for your blog. What is your end goal? What do you want to accomplish with this blog? Do you want to make some amount of money? Do you want to place your income? Do you want to work from home? What is it? What do you want to do for your blog? What is your goal? What is your goal for the blog? You want to help the world? You want to help people who don't know a lot about what you're talking about? What is it? So number 2 is have an end goal. And then once you make the goal, you keep going to hit that goal. Okay? My goal for my blog right now is to make $2,500 per month with that blog. That's the goal. And I have to keep working towards that goal. Number 3 is you don't promote your blog. Now, I hear a lot of people say that's write long content and let it sit for a while. And you can do that. That works. But you can post on social media. It takes literally 5 minutes. Okay, so promote your blog. Go to Pinterest. Go to Medium. Go to Facebook. Go to Wix.com. Go to Tumblr. Post your content across 8 or 9 different networks. That's how you get more traffic to your blog. So number 3 is you don't promote your blog. You write a blog post and you're done. Make a YouTube video about your blog post. Make a YouTube video. I've written a blog post about this video I'm making. Right? Make a YouTube video. If you do YouTube, Pinterest, Wix, Medium, Tumblr, that's 5 places, and it takes literally 3 or 4 minutes to post. All right, so post on social media and promote your blog. Number 4 is stop writing short content. Don't write 400 or 500 word blog posts. Okay, those don't work anymore. They have to be at least 1,200-1,300 word posts. Not every post need a 2,000 word explanation, but don't write short posts. Don't write your next 10 blog posts short, because they won't rank. No one's going to see them. They won't rank. You want to rank on Google. Okay. And the last thing that will just destroy your blog is you don't have content going out each day. And this pretty much goes for phase 1. You don't have content going out each day. You should have content on your blog for the holidays, when you're sick, when you're working, when you're not working, when you're sick. You should always have content going out each and every other day, or whatever your frequency is. If you do 1 blog post a week for this year, there's 53 weeks in a year, I believe, 53 or 52. You should have 53 blog posts ready to go out live every day, every week of the year, and then do it next year. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. You have to always have content going out. You must have content going out to your blog for your readers to read. That's it. You must have a YouTube video going out every other day or twice a week, whatever. You just have going out. Those are my top 5. If I want to do a 6th one, is not when you don't renew your blog or renew your domain name. I have Bluehost, and Bluehost, you know, when it gets to 45 days to your, so you buy it January 1st, your blog will expire January 1st of the next year. And Bluehost, they do a good job of emailing you, hey, your domain will, you won't have ownership of the domain name, after the first of the year. So make sure that you have auto renew set, or 5, because you're not gonna lose your blog. I mean, I knew after your time expired with the blog, you can renew it, or you can redemption period. I've never done that before, but you can lose your blog and lose all your work and your time and energy. So make sure that whatever date you bought your blog on, if it's February 15th of this year, you bought a domain name, next year, February 15th, your domain name will expire. You have to renew it. So make sure that you have your domain renewed, and you make sure that it's auto renew, has your correct credit card information, because people get new debit cards every day. Make sure your debit card up to date, your address up to date. Make sure everything's good to go, because you don't want to lose your blog. You don't want to lose it. That's another thing that, and that's number 7 could be just to keep pushed through your blog. Don't make excuses that you don't have time. Time is not an excuse. I don't have time to write a blog. I don't have time to run a blog. You can write a blog post on your phone. Okay, you watch YouTube videos all day. You on Facebook. You're playing the Xbox, PlayStation. You're spending time with friends. You're going out all the town. You could write a 1,000-word blog post. You could do it. You could do it on your phone. I don't got time. Do what I work. Do what I work. On your 30-minute, hour break, do what I work. That's it. Use the WordPress app. Create a title. Start blogging. There's no excuse. There's no excuse. So that's it for my video. 5 ways. This is 7 ways. This is 7 ways to destroy your blog for good. These are the ways that destroy all my blogs and my blogs in the past. I gave up on them. I stopped writing content. I didn't even know their domain names. I stopped doing content. I didn't promote the blog. I wrote short blog posts, and I just gave up on it. But the xking.com, I'm never giving up with it. So thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.